you can represent whatever school you like with these cheer outfits. They have varsity jackets, and then they have little cheerleading outfits with the pom-poms. And you don't have to put the school logo on there, because if you don't have a trademark license to do that, you don't want to fool around with that. But all you have to do is just put the colors of the school on the varsity jacket or the cheerleading outfit, and it represents the school. No one's going to question what school it is. On the purple, we're going to do the Tigers, and on the blue, we're going to do the Bulldog. And we're not going to use their logo. We're just going to use the colors, so that keeps everything legal. So I am going to show you just how easy it is to do the jacket and how easy it is to do the cheerleading outfit. This varsity jacket is heavy. It's like almost feels like a varsity jacket. It's like a heavy sweatshirt. So it goes totally flat, which makes it so easy for us to monogram. So I'm going to use just my regular 4.72 or 12 centimeter hoop. Look, it lays completely flat. It has a little V. So when I get to my machine, all I'm going to do is I'm going to line up that V with my laser, and that's going to let me know what the center is. So I'm just going to put my ring under here, and then I'm just going to pop this in. So easy. That's ready to go. Now, for the jacket, what I did was I went ahead and just marked it with a little bit of chalk so that I know that it's the dead center. And then, of course, it lays flat, which makes it so easy. And again, I'm just going to use my 4.72 or 12 centimeter hoop. And we're just going to put it in. I'm lining up. I have lines on my hoop. And so I'm lining my lines up with the chalk so that I don't have to do a whole lot of movement once I get it to the machine. Now, whenever you hoop something, make sure that you always have your backing 100% around. So I'm kind of messed up right there a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and move my backing up just a little bit more, because you want that area to be nice and taut. That way your monogramming will look so much better. If you have a nice taut area and your backing completely covers the ring, you want to be able to play a drum on it. That makes the area that you're monogramming on stable, and the more stable that your fabric is and the more stable that your backing is, the better your monogramming will look. So let's put the Bulldogs on the blue one. You have options, of course. So what I'm going to do on the blue one is I'm going to put an actual image of a bulldog, and on the purple one, I'm going to monogram out the word Tigers. So let's go started with the Bulldog. I have all my colors that I need. It's very easy to line it up because of the V on there. So I'm just going to trace it out just to make sure it's going to be exactly where I want it to be. And it's ready to go. Bulldog is finished. Love it. All right, now on the purple, let's just monogram the word Tigers. A lot less stitches. The Bulldog was maybe about 5,000 stitches. This is probably less than 2,000. I'm going to use the color of the school, the gold color that the purple school uses. Tigers is done. It was less than 2,000 stitches, and this is $15 for this particular monogram right here. Now, let's put the jacket on. What we're going to do is we're going to put the recipient's name with the recipient's favorite number on the varsity jacket in the school colors. So just slips right on. I'm going to trace it out, make sure I like it. It happens to be lined up perfectly with my chalk mark. So let's do it. Finished. Now let's put this one on and put the recipient's name and her favorite number. So the value of the monogram is $15 for this location and then $15 for the front location. So you can become a retailer for this store by going to the link below and filling out an application. That way, if you like doing this type of stuff, please don't make me do business shirts. I don't want to do business shirts. I want to do this kind of stuff all the time. And if that's you, if you love to do this type of stuff, then you should definitely become a retailer for this company and make a profit on the animal, make a profit on their jacket and the cheerleading outfit and the monogramming. So order the colors that will excite your customers, because these are irresistible for sure.